You gonna feed Lois? Yummy, yummy nectar for Lois. You still let her get it all for her diet.
Good, Lois?
Uh,
Are you taking all my nectar?
she sure is. How's it feel on your hand?
Oh, but I only feel like tiny nails. I feel tiny nails.
Tiny harmless nails. I know, right? So let me guess, now you want a pet bird?
Hello. Welcome to Lorkeet Landing. Everybody needs to sanitize hands. There's one on that wall and there's one over here. We do have
He's a nice bird.
I see.
Drunk it all.
Is it all gone?
She's freaking it all.
Good bird.
He's so nice.
I know it.
No running in here. Don't step in the stream.
They are not afraid of humans at all.
I know.
I know it. I think she just basically said thank you, and
Done?
I'll see you when you get more nectar.
Done?
That's what she said.
Okay. Oh, yeah?
Don't scream. Don't scream.
It's tickles.
And there she goes.